Welcome back. A truck that had come to unload mud caught fire after it came in contact with high-tension electricity wires. The incident occurred near a football ground at Santa Cruz. Locals have alleged that illegal landfilling has been carried out in this area.
Truck caught fire in Santa Cruz after coming in contact with live wire. Fire brigade personnel rushed to the spot with fire tender to extinguish the fire. On the other side, locals allege that illegal landfilling is being carried out in the area.
करने आया था, थोड़ा इसका टायर फंसा है नीचे, बाद में ऊपर थोड़ा आगे लिया सामने गाड़ी, तो ऊपर वायर था उसमें लगा है।
किसका काम करता है तू इधर?
मैं दामोदर का ड्राइवर।
ये मिट्टी का धंधा किसका है?
ये मेरे को नहीं मालूम।
It is not just case of fire due to accident. It is somebody's filling up this land, agricultural land, and this activity has been going on for so long. Okay, it has come to notice only because of this fire. And I request everyone, if somebody has got police number, please call up the police and tell this incident.
Our reporter from Panji, Devendra Gaonkar.
Around 10 major thefts have taken place in the state in between March to April till date. However, there is low detection rate of theft cases in the state. Minors have also been used by criminal-minded people to commit crimes at various places. The number of thefts are increasing day by day, may it be in houses, religious places, thefts of motor vehicles and other thefts.
The number of theft cases in the state is on the rise. Criminal-minded people are also using minors for committing crimes by luring them for cash and other goods in return. Juvenile delinquents from Apna Ghar were used for committing crimes by two staff members of Apna Ghar recently. Around 10 major thefts have taken place in the state in between March to April till date. However, the detection rate of the theft cases is on the lower side. Some of the major cases in recent times are theft of cash from donation box of Vitthal Mandir in Komba, Madgaon, theft of cash from donation box of St. Andrew Church, Vasco, theft of gold ornaments from a company in Madgaon by its staff member, theft in house at Shorao, daylight robbery in a flat at Madgaon, theft in a flat at Korli, Mapsa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
CM Manohar Parrikar has assured that the Fire Services Department will be provided with adequate equipment and personnel. He was speaking at the annual Fire Service Day function held by the Fire and Emergency Services. Director Ashok Menon also stressed on the need for new equipment and highlighted the decreasing number of students enrolling for firefighting courses.
The Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services held its annual Fire Service Day function on Saturday. Every year, the day is observed as Fire Service Day in India to pay homage to those brave firefighters who sacrificed their lives in line to their duty on 14th April 1944.
There are issues which needs to be attended, including improved fire service, improved number of personnel, and probably better equipment. Because slowly the modern world is forcing different kinds of activities on fire. 1950s, 60s it was only fire. Then it was natural calamity or a person in danger category was added. कुत्रे मारल्यापासून पण छान सुद्धा वाचायच्या बाहेर पडतो. इथपर्यंत ठीक आहे, पण आता ओरडू करून केमिकल लिकेजी तर झाडवेळे लीक झाली, लोकांना काही सगळा बरोबर फायर सर्व्हिस अपग्रेड करपाची गरज होता. I will not take more. I will be assuring you that my government will ensure that fire force gets the full knowledge, gets the full proper equipment to handle the situation, and also while you protect us, I will see that we protect you.
There is a need to upgrade the training infrastructure and also include training simulators for enhanced and advanced firefighting. The BSc Fire Technology course has passed out 59 candidates. All the candidates are employed within the state and some abroad. For the past 2 years, there has been no enrollment of students for the course, which we hope in the future there will be more students coming for enrollment in this course.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Political rivalry has still not cooled down in Santander constituency. 2 cars were burned down to ashes in Siridao on Saturday. People suspect the hand of politicians in the incident. They have asked the government and the police officials to inquire into the matters and arrest the culprits.
These two cars were burned down to ashes in Siridao. The owner of the car, Lawrence D'Souza, informed Prudent that the incident occurred at around 12:45 midnight. Lawrence with his family was asleep when he was alerted of the incident by his neighbors.
आम्ही सस्पेक्ट जाण आपली आम्ही अजून नाव घेऊन ना त्याचे आणि आम्ही त्याला पोलिसेक आम्ही कंप्लेंट केला होय किती जाता ते नाव सांगपा शकना एक गाडीची माझी टाटा सफारी आणि दुसरी स्टेप पोलिसांनी कंप्लेंट केली आम्ही ताबडतोब चौकशी करता म्हणा.
Simon Kayado alleged that the act has been politically motivated.
ही सगळी जावन आसा पॉलिटिक्स. हे भुरगे ह्या लॉरेन्साचे भुरगे ह्या गांवांत इतले बरे सगळे गांवचे लोकां कडेन एकदम बरे चलताय आनी तेकोडे गांवांत सगळो लोक बरो आसा. जायती वर्सांनी जायते टर्म हिंगा ते सदांच हे काँग्रेस पार्टीचेर ओपोजीट आसले आनी ते पावट ते बीजेपी सांगाता खाले आनी बीजेपीक तेणी ह्या गांवांत लीड दिलेली देखून हो सगळो तेंचो राग काडूंक सोदता. हितून आनी सांगपाक कोणाक डावट ना हेजे सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आहा हो मनीस कोण पळय तो. हांव तेजें नांव सांगना तुमी सोदून काडचें. हांव मागता सरकारात नाय आमच्या गोंयचे मुखेलमंत्री नाय जात तितले कडक स्ट्रीक हेजेर सारकी चौकशी करून पुलिशेक सांगून कल्पिटाक बूक करून भितर उडोवचो. तो केदो व्हडलो मनीस जावं काय तो सगल्यांक एक आसा. हेच्या फाटल्यान वहूचो पेडोवपाक फाटल्यान व्हडल्या मनशाचो आसा आनी तो कोण आख्या गोंय लोकांक सिड्डोणच्या सगळ्या लोकांक आमचे टोटल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक खबर आहा ताका जात तितले बेगीन चौकशी करून भितर उडोवचो.
The owner immediately informed the police and called the fire brigade personnel to extinguish the fire. A reporter in Siridao, Devendra Gaonkar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Naveli MLA and Fisheries Minister Avertano Furtado visited 3 panchayats in Naveli with regard to pre-monsoon work. Avertano has assured the panchayats to start the pre-monsoon work at the earliest. He visited Rumdamol, Davolli and Ake Baish panchayats on Saturday.
Avertano visited the 3 panchayats of Naveli in Rumdamol, Davolli and Ake Baish. Avertano said that he has visited the panchayats to get enlightened about the works that have been taken up on priority. He heard the grievances of panchayat and the people. He also assured that he would start the pre-monsoon work quickly.
So I had called the panchayat of Rumdamol panchayat for their grievances. So they have told me some grievances regarding the gutters, then light, and the garbage issue. So I had called the concerned people. And I'll see that before rains, all their problems are solved. आज आता रुमडामोड केलं. Now I'm going to Davolli. From Davolli I'll go to Ake Baish. Today I have taken 3 panchayats.
Avertano will also visit the Naveli and Talauli panchayat on Tuesday. Our reporter in Naveli, Samir Bhatt.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.